Hey guys, welcome back. Beer Stalkers here. You got Raul, special guest Courtney.
Hi.
A little thing we're doing.
Sorry.
Thanks to the beer guys, they inspired this video, I should say. This is an unboxing of our tab order, and yeah. So let's open the first box. I already opened it and looked into it, so not a true unboxing, but we got more than one box, so we'll go ahead and let's go for it. So here we go. There's a lot of doubles. We got one out. It is I'm Just Here to Dance. It is a banana nut muffin inspired sour ale with milk sugar. Alright.
So, I have a question.
Yes.
How is a sour ale and milk sugar going to combine?
They use lactose to do it. Let's see if we have any more information. No, we don't.
I don't know, that confuses me. That's why I don't drink beer.
It is from New Image Brewing. Oh, it's a collaboration with Hidden Springs Ale Works. Alright.
So, I'm confused. I guess it's Untitled Art Honey Stout?
So it's a honey stout.
I don't know how to read these.
So this contains lactose and natural flavors, so honey maybe? It's a stout. So it's Untitled Art. Untitled Art. Not very much on here. It's from
12% alcohol.
It is from Waunakee, Wisconsin. Huh. Okay. Next one we have is from Indeed Brewing Company, Pistachio Cream Ale.
Ooh.
I don't know how this is going to taste.
Think it's going to be creamy?
Maybe. Not creamy like you would think creamy. Ah, here we go. Notes: pistachio, bready, and it's crisp. 5.5. 15 IBUs. So, alright.
Energy City Brewing. It's called Hop Surf. New England style double Indian pale ale. Citra and Mosaic hops. Our hop series beers feature hops with juicy characteristics that cast a glowing haze. Can you see that? 8.2 alcohol by volume. Nikita, back up. Oh, notes of orange, peach, blueberry, and pine. Brewed with a boatload of Citra and Mosaic hops. Oh, that's what it gives you those notes. Yeah.
Next up, Fresca Pils from Block 15 Brewing Company, an Italian Pilsner. It's a crisp, hop-forward Italian style Pilsner brewed with Italian Ericlia Pilsner malt and generously hopped with European styrofoam hops.
Styrofoam.
We'll go with that.
I don't think you should be drinking styrofoam.
So the notes of citrus, berries, and fresh cut grass. You better not mow the lawn and just brood it, because I'll be upset. Not very much, but somewhere.
Brewery Classics MKSD Passion Pool.
Yep.
Goose style ale with passion fruit and sea salt.
Gose.
Gose?
Gose.
Oh, I put an extra O in that.
It's from Mikkeller Brewing in San Diego.
5% alcohol. 5% alcohol volume. It has sea salt and
Passion fruit.
barley malt. Oh wait, I'm reading the ingredients.
Basically what they have, yeah.
Yeah.
Next up we got from Noble Ale Works, Naughty Sauce. Yeah, naughty.
Is it naughty?
Yeah, naughty.
Like you're naughty?
Yeah, naughty. Naughty. Yeah. And it actually has cinnamon roast crunch. That's what they put on it. It is a golden milk stout with coffee and Saigon cinnamon. So.
I like that word, Saigon.
Oh, go for it.
It's not your turn. Heater Allen Pills. Crafted in McMinnville, Oregon. Bohemian style Pilsner. Heater Allen Brewing is what it is. At Heater Allen, we take no shortcuts in our beer from using... Wait, we take no shortcuts in our beer from using the best ingredients to giving our beers extended lagering time. We believe you can taste the difference. Pils is our tribute to the pale, hoppy beers. First brewed in Bohemia. I can't read. 170 years ago, we used Bohemian Pilsner malts and Czech Saaz hops to try and make this beer. Hops.
Hopes and dreams, baby. Hopes and dreams.
To try and make this beer close to what you might find in Pregu. This beer is unfiltered. Please store and enjoy cold.
Now that means we gotta go throw it in the fridge in a minute.
5.1%. Doesn't tell you anything else about like what the flavor is.
Alright.
Oh, I didn't show it, but.
From Resident Culture Brewing Company, we have Sphere Eversion. Yep, Sphere Eversion IPA. It's a 4.8 ABV. Let's see. It's a session IPA with lactose hopped with Matuka, Citra, Mosaic, and Galaxy hops. And they are from Charlotte, North Carolina. Another MKSD.
So another
Mikkeller
Brewing, San Diego. This one is a limited series. It's called Double Blush. Imperial Berliner style Weiss brewed with raspberries and coffee.
Interesting.
Yeah. This one is a 6.8. Yeah, 6.8%.
Right, next one we have Blueberry and Bananas. It is from Evil Twin Brewing in New York City. It is called E.T. Stay Home 7. 6.5%. It is a sour ale brewed with banana and blueberry. So that's going to be interesting.
This one, life is short, wear tropical shirts, magic. Wise Brewing Man,
Wise Man Brew, probably.
Oh yeah, Wise Man Brewing. Tropical Shirts is what it's called. Berliner style Weiss with blackberry and raspberry. It's a 4.2%. The can is kind of cute. That's what made me grab it. I was kind of looking for something that would catch. Oh, keep cold, drink fresh. Sour ale brewed with blackberries and raspberries.
You already said that.
Oh, I didn't say it was a sour ale.
Yeah, you did.
Did I?
Mm-hmm. This is the Separatist Beer Project. I believe it's called Lifestyle. It is a 5%.
Do you need help with me?
No, I was looking for it. Kolsch Style Ale. Distinctively floral and fresh. It is from... Oh, here we go. Pittston, Pennsylvania.
Pitstain?
Pittston.
Pittston?
Pittston. Yep, Pittston.
Oh, I heard you say like pit stain. Oh, so another. It's another Wiseman Brewing, and it says High Clouds and Haze. Zachary Smith Reynolds Flight Log, Spring 1932. So it's the name of it's High Clouds and Haze, apparently. New England styled IPA with Laurel, Citra, and Sabro hops. It's a 6.3 alcohol volume.
Alright, pretty good.
Cute little can.
And... Alright, we already did that one?
Oh.
We already did that one. Doubles. Handmade lager. That's all I get. No. 4.5 brewed and packaged by Transient Artisan Ales from Bridgman, Michigan. Handmade lager. Simple can.
So this one, I pulled it out.
Okay.
This one is Transient Artisan Ale. It was a collaborative effort with their friends at New Image Brewing. It's called No Third Eye Triple Dry Hopped Double Indian Pale Ale. 10% alcohol volume.
Nice.
Yeah, it doesn't really give you any kind of notes or anything like that, but just very simple. I like the pink and purple with green little flowers, little arrow things.
Yeah.
It's cute, kind of girly, kind of simple.
Remember, I'm going to put a picture of all these cans and beers later, so if you can't see it on the video, I'll have a little special in the back with each one.
He'll probably post them on Instagram as he drinks them as well, so just go follow him on Instagram too. That way you can also get into the entry for the giveaway.
We used to do that at the end, but...
Oh, well, I was trying to help you.
But alright. So, I gotta go find the other box and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. Got the box.
The Big Daddy.
We gotta open it. Only way to open it is with a knife.
Or knife.
Always cut away from me, but since she's on that side, we're not gonna cut, we're just gonna move it until the tape is done.
There's no tape on that, it's just...
Now we put it up because we're responsible.
Sometimes.
Most of the time. And it goes away. Alright, here we go. Only God knows what's in here.
No, you ordered them, or did you forget what you ordered?
Yeah. Can't remember all 53. You heard that right, 53.
Yeah, he went a little overboard.
Alright. First up. Here, Evan Pills. Some of these might be doubles, so we'll figure it out. A Bohemia style Pilsner from Heater Allen Brewery. And
That sounds But it's like looks smaller.
No, it's the same one.
It's the same thing.
Yep, same one. We did it already. Ah, here's a good one. StormBreaker Brewing, Right as Rain Pale Ale. I like the. I got it because of the art. Pretty cool art. It is 5.6, 36 IPUs, and it's a pale ale. Not really much else about it. I'll probably put more on it later. All right.
pFriem barrel aged Flanders styled red ale. It may come in a bottle, but this lively sour ale with a hint of Pinot will quickly remind you that it spent most of its life in an oak barrel. Ooh. It's been barrel aged for 18 months. That's interesting. Enjoy at 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This was bottled on January 3rd of 2019. Has a date on there. That's pretty cool.
I'm
It's
supposed to
7%
have a second one.
alcohol volume.
Next one up, we got Extra Tickle.
Ooh.
It's a double dry hop IPA from Elevated or Levitated. Oh, Levante Brewing. Can't read. Very small print. It's from Westchester, Pennsylvania.
Westchester.
7% ABVs, made with Mosaic, Citra, Simcoe, Cryo hops, and it's an IPA.
This is Gun Hill Brewing Company. It's called Das Wassup. Did you want to read that one?
No, go ahead.
It's a New England Indian Pale Ale. India. Sorry, not Indian. That was bad. 7.5 alcohol volume. Yeah, it doesn't give you any notes, but I like the name. It's pretty cool.
Alright, next one we have is Black is Beautiful.
Yes, it is, baby. Yes, it is. Duh.
This one's from Weathered Souls Brewing Company in San Antonio, Texas.
Oh.
Of course, this is part of the Black is Beautiful from thousands of breweries and home brewers around. So we got this one. It's an Imperial Stout. 10% ABV. So yeah, Black is Beautiful.
Ooh. Licking Hole Creek Brewery, craft brewery. I'm butchering this up. La Calvera Katrina 3 chopped triple ale. That's what it says.
La Calavera Katrina 3 cup Chapelle Ale.
Okay, well, I don't read Spanish.
So Licking Hole Creek, she got that right. It's from,
The horses just took off. I don't know if you heard that.
I don't know if this was right, but Goochland, Virginia. Please tell me in the comments if you're from there or know that place. Tell me if that's right or wrong, because that's hilarious. Goochland. But yeah, that's where it's from. Licking Hole Creek.
You've already done this.
Yep. Those are doubles.
Wilmington Brewing Company. Sup Brau. It's 5%. It's a Pilsner.
Sup, bruh.
Yeah. It's,
Sorry, dude.
is that looks like water. Like it's like the ocean. Like at the beach. Yeah, it goes with the name.
Double. Double. Ah, here we go. This is from Kings County Brewers Collective in Brooklyn, New York. It's called Puerta de la Bodega Gose. Well, it's a Gose made with guava, chili, and lime, sea salt. Has some barley and wheat. 4.5% ABV. So yeah, pretty cool art too.
Have we done this?
I believe we did.
I think we did, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did that. We did that. I tried to like get rid of the doubles. Oh, we haven't done that.
Nope.
Modist Brewing Company, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Intuit Tangerine Lime Lager. It is 4.5%.
All right, we got a simple one here. It's from Urban Family Brewing. It is a hoppy sour ale with Galaxy Citra and whatever hops. Equinaut hops. 6% ABV, and they are from Seattle, Washington.
Crane Brewing. This is dry hopped orange Gose sour ale with orange zest, 4.1%. It's a cute little can. Has like a little paper crane and a little paper boat on there.
All right, we got another Noble Aleworts, another naughty sauce. But this is a naughty sauce. It's a golden milk stout on coffee. 5.4% ABV. And traditional golden milk stout beer style. So go ahead and see what that is about.
This one is another one from Untitled Art. It is a pineapple mango seltzer. It is, what is it? I'm trying to look for the ABV. Oh, 5%. It has little pineapples. And little mango slices all over. That's cute. I like their art on their cans. I think those are the last two.
Yeah, here, that one.
This is Hardwood Mama's Mean Cobbler. I think it's Hardwood Brewing, probably. But it's a Belgian style fruit ale with peaches and spices. It's 82% alcohol volume. It's got a little peach, little booty. It's cute. I like the plaid too.
Alright, and lastly, we have Liquid Gravity Brewing Company, West Coast IPA. Liquid Gravity IPA, whatever that means. I'll look it up. 7% ABV. It says a classic and iconic West Coast IPA. And this is, like I said, this is from Liquid Gravity from San Luis Obispo, California. Obispo, yeah. One person I know from there is Chuck Liddell. Long time ago. Just where you should find out. So, as you see, went a little overboard. Actually, I'm missing one of these. But that's alright. So, yeah. Of course, I'm going to review all of them. That'll be up in upcoming videos. Everything. Yeah, like you said, check out the Instagram. The doubles, of course, I'm going to drink and post up there. Follow us on Twitter, Untapped, Facebook. Like, subscribe to the video, and all that good stuff.
Don't forget to ring his bell. Ring his bell.
Also, I'll link the Instagram image for the giveaway. Still got time. We got about another week or so as of the coming out of this video, which should be the 7th, the 7th or the 8th. We'll see. Whenever it comes up, you'll see it. But yeah, go check it out, and we'll be giving that giveaway. And if you're the lucky winner, getting a bunch of swag. Here, there, picture here, picture there, picture there.
Down there, I don't know.
Anywhere. I'll put them everywhere. So yeah. So as always, guys, be safe, stay classy, and I'll tap that.